Hello, and welcome to our Daily English. Today's conversation is called Visiting a Stationery Shop and Learning How to Make a Handmade Card. In this simple and relaxing English lesson, you'll learn useful phrases about buying craft supplies, asking for help, and talking about creative hobbies. It's perfect for beginners and anyone who enjoys learning English through everyday situations. Like and subscribe for more calm and easy English lessons every day. Now, let's join Lila, Ravi, and Nina inside the cozy stationery shop. Lila stands outside a colorful stationery shop, looking at the display of papers, markers, and craft supplies.
Wow, look at all the colors and papers. I've never tried making a handmade card before. I hope someone inside can teach me the basics. It's Nina. Hey, Nina.
Hey, what's up?
I'm about to go inside this stationery shop. I want to learn how to make a handmade card for my mom's birthday.
That's so sweet. You'll do great. Just ask them to show you step by step.
Okay, let's go.
Lila walks in.
Welcome to Papercraft Studio. How can I help you today?
Hi, I want to learn how to make a handmade card. I've never done it before.
That's wonderful. Handmade cards are so much fun. Do you have any particular occasions in mind?
Yes, it's my mom's birthday. I want it to look special.
Great. Let's start with some basic materials. Cardstock, decorative paper, glue, scissors, markers, and maybe some ribbons.
Okay. Do I need to choose colors first?
Yes. Think about what your mom likes. Do you want something bright or subtle?
She loves pastel colors and floral designs.
Perfect. We have pastel cardstock and floral decorative paper.
These papers feel so nice. How do I know which one to use for the base?
The base should be a sturdy cardstock. Choose a pastel color, then we can layer decorative papers on top.
Oh, I see. And what about decorations?
Stickers, ribbons, and cutout shapes work well. You can also draw or paint small designs.
I want to try everything.
Take it slow. Let's start with the base and the first layer.
Making the card, step by step.
First, fold the cardstock in half to make the card shape.
Like this?
Exactly. Nice and neat.
It's starting to look like a card already.
Next, cut a smaller piece of decorative paper to layer on top. You can glue it in the center or slightly off-center for a creative look.
I'll put it a bit to the left.
That looks artistic.
Should I add a ribbon too?
Yes, a small ribbon at the bottom or top edge adds a nice touch.
Okay, I'll try it.
Beautiful. You're doing great. Now, let's think about the message inside. Do you want to write it by hand?
Yes, I want it to be personal.
Use a nice pen, maybe a gel pen or calligraphy marker. Take your time.
Okay. Happy birthday, Mom. Wishing you a wonderful day filled with love and joy.
Perfect. Very heartfelt.
I want to add some small flowers drawn around the edges.
Go for it. Small sketches or stamps make it look creative and professional.
This is turning out so well.
Last step. Check for any glue strings and maybe add a small sticker to the corner for fun.
Oh yes, a tiny heart sticker here.
Perfect. Your card is ready. How do you feel?
I love it. It looks handmade and special. I can't wait to give it to my mom.
And you did it all by yourself. Handmade cards are always appreciated.
Thank you so much for guiding me. You made it easy to follow.